Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxed review of MAXi Torch Utility Lighter. So, multi-use super torch flame lighter. Made by another Gibson original, so I guess it's made by Gibson. Here's all the things that they're saying that it should be great for: camping, barbecue, culinary, household, outdoor, repairs, and hobbies. Okay, number one, I don't know how many hobbies it's going to take, a bit of freaking torch like this. Again, repairs. I mean, if you're trying to weld something, you're probably going to want to have, a bit of welding mass and a bit of, torch to actually weld something with instead of this. Unless you solder in lead. That's the only thing that I could think that, repairs would be is like something broke and you got like that lead wire and you need to quickly solder it back together. Then maybe this will work. In that type of situation. Outdoors, obviously, these refillable TT torch is, obviously this is gonna come in handy. Household, I think they should say kitchen or something, but creme brulee, where you gotta toast it to burn it, obviously this is gonna come in handy. I mean, there's some people that when they buy but when they make creme brulee, they go out and buy like an actual torch, like they gotta put a cans of propane into it, and they get it like from the hardware store. So I mean, yeah. Camping, definitely I can understand outdoors for camping. Yeah, definitely this would be great. So it's adjustable frame, which is awesome. Safety lock. Now some people would be like, I don't really like the safety lock because, I don't have kids or anything, but even without kids, if you're a dog and you don't have kids, you might be safety lock is still good. You know why? Like you say, for outdoors. Oh no, I mean, outdoors and camping. What if you throw this in your gear bag or your backpack that has some of your gear in there? You kind of want to have that little safety lock on there because you could be hiking or something and with your backpack on with some gear in there. And what if your gear moves and falls and hits the little ignite button? Well, your backpack's on fire. You could be the next Fantastic Four Human Torch. If you're going to go hike to be like, on this hike today, I got my superpower. I became the new Fantastic Four Human Torch. Like Johnny, the Human Torch. There's no way that I want to be the Human Torch unless it was, in a video game or like in a movie or maybe for a cosplay with like a costume, but no way in life would I ever want to be a Human Torch. I mean, that's just it. Unless you try to go for a new stupid YouTube, thing. That, how we always had those stupid YouTube challenges like the Cinnamon Challenge. What was it? The Ghost Pepper Challenge. The Water Butter Challenge, which out of all the challenges, I think the Water Butter was probably the most safest one out of all of them. There was the Dolphin Challenge where people take in like electrical tape and wrap it around as tight and as much as they can around it to cover the circulation. And kind of the newest one, there was the Thai Soap Pod Challenge, where people were actually freaking retarded, stupid, idiot morons to grab soap, which, even in the Thai commercials, they say that they made their soap childproof, like little babies can't eat it. But no, these are grown teenagers and adults that are stupid morons. Are they stupider than a freaking baby? Grabbing Tide Pods and popping like 1, 2, 3 at a time in their mouth. I guess they swallowed them. I don't think they spit them out. But I mean, yeah, of course you're going to be made fun of if you eat Tide Pods. And like, YouTube, I had to go to the hospital, I almost died. Why? Because I ate soap pods. And then the people in the hospital was like, well, you're freaking retarded moron. I mean, who in the white mind eats soap pods, really? But it was for YouTube challenge. After YouTube challenge, I'm putting my safety ahead of a stupid challenge, you know? If someone said, hey, you want to be on YouTube? You want to get famous? Eat some soap pods? I'll say, nope. If you want to die, you eat the soap pods. I want to live, and I'm not eating those soap pods. That's the way how I am, okay? But, oh, and then there was another challenge, but I don't think it would catch on, where people was trying to jump over cars and try to jump the train tracks as the train was coming. That was like the other two. There were two, but they kind of put them in the same category type of challenge after the Tide Soap Pod challenge. Who knows what the next retarded challenge is? Maybe it's pour gasoline on yourself and set yourself on fire so you can be the new Fantastic Four Johnny, the Human Torch. There's the idea. Hopefully no one tries that idea. Or let's try grabbing electricity and shouting ourselves like that. Or what about, let's take a bow and an arrow, a wheel arrow, and try to shoot ourselves in the foot or the leg. Or how about we take a wheel loaded gun and each of us shoots ourselves in the arm or in the foot or in our leg. Or a knife and try stabbing ourselves right in the leg. I mean, hey, if we already got to do a chance like cinnamon, duct tape, super hot peppers eating one after another, and eating soap pods, why not these other stupid challenges of stabbing ourselves with a knife and stuff? Well, I mean, come on people, you gotta have some sense of a brain not to do those stupid things, but anyway, you know, Human Torch thing. But yes, these are refillable butane lighters, so you can refill them. That's great. I love how you can see, you know, how much fuel is inside of it, so you know when you have to refill them and stuff. As you can see, they show different colors, which they do have different colors. They had the orange one, this green one. They had like a clear one that was something kind of like this color, clear. And I believe they also had a pink one, and I can't remember if they had a black or if it was a smoky gray. It was one of those ones. They only had a couple. I bought this over at Menards for like $1.99, which the only reason why I picked it up was as a bit lighter. I mean, you can see the size of it. It's not a little teeny tiny light. It's a big one. And it was in a sale paper, advertised, you know, on sale for $1.99. I was like, dang, $1.99? You know I'm grabbing this. Don't know how good it is yet, so yeah. I know a lot of people in the comments are probably like, just open it up a way and show us. I will, but you know, I wanted to get it out of the way of what it does, what it doesn't do, who's probably going to use it for that stupid thing, and you know, all that stuff. So I chose the green one. I was going to choose the orange one just because, you know, for like hiking and camping, but the green one I kind of liked a little bit better. So here's our adjustable flame, safety, and our nice system. Refillable port down there. A little air vents here and over here. GEI it says on there. I don't know if you can see the eye on camera. You could maybe right there. It's kind of hard to get the eye on camera. The GE you could definitely see that on camera, but the eye just kind of fades away. Now the G, I don't know what the G stands for, but the EI I know it stands for electronic ignition. So E electronic, I ignition. The G, I'm not really sure what the G stands for. If anyone out there knows what GEI stands for, let me know in the comment section what the G stands for, because the E and the I already know what that stands for. Electronic ignition. But the G, I don't know what the G stands for, but electronic ignition. And there is two ways. Now, it's not like how most lighters are, like on my little, it's not, is it a bit? Oh, it's a bit. I thought I had a script on me. But you know, some of the new electronic lighters, especially on like the bit one, you had to push up the safety and then push it down, and then once it does that, then you let go, and then you have to go push up the safety, and then, you know, push it down again to light it again. I thought that's how this one is, but no, it just has a little slide. So right now, it's in the lock position, so. And if I slide it, which is not much force to get it to unlock. Unlock. Nice little jet torch right there. A lighter. So definitely this would be great for lighting torches, you know, the little tiki ones, maybe some firecrackers. Definitely the barbecue grill. If you have like a charcoal one, this is going to be perfect as well. This is what I'm also going to be using for to light the barbecue grill. Let's see if we can get some paper here to light. So yeah, real quick thing, and this is set. I know it shows it's in the middle here, but it's actually more set towards the minus side for a lower flame. You know, it's right in line in the middle of that screw. So it looks like it's, you know, in between minus and plus, like about maybe 50% open / closed, you know, power, but actually it's a little bit more towards the minus. You know, it looks like.